Hi everyone, how you doing today? I hope you're doing good. Today I'm bringing you my giveaway. So I am going to show you some of the things I'm going to be giving away, and I'll tell you how to qualify at the end. But let me just get started. A green nail brush. This thing. I'm going to pull away a little bit so you guys can see. Alright. One of these resin stones so you can work on. A Formula X polish from Sephora, and this has like gold flecks. It's a top coat, and it is called Out of Sight, and it's completely wrapped. I'm not going to open it. This little thing on your nails, you're putting your stones, you can lay them out on that. This finger rest. Let's see what else I have in here. This brush holder. It looks like a crown, and it's silver. It's got pearls. It's very pretty. This little butterfly spoon, it's very small. I use it to pick up stones. I use it for glitter mixes. It's got an orange stone at the top, and so yeah, that's that. Some black striping tape. Everybody can use that. Some of these Essie nail appliques. There's a silver one with like a snake pattern. There's an aqua one, same snake pattern, and then there's a gold one. It has a pattern. It's not a snake pattern. It looks kind of like a fishnet pattern. Okay. I have a stamping plate by Moira, Labyrinth, plate number 7, and this plate is really fun and interesting. Okay. Another stamping plate. This one is by Infinity Nails, and it's got elaborate patterns, and it's got the long infinity type of that's the infinity type plate, so that if you have really long nails, you can still apply the pattern without interruption. It's very pretty. I like this one. Okay. These are some little, let me close this, little gems that I made with dried flowers in them. I'll show them to you. There's a purple heart, yellow, green, turquoise, hot pink, and red. And they're like in a milk bath. And it's a brush stand, and it's black with silver glitter. Okay, I don't want to take that out of the packaging. A stamper from bornprettystore.com. It's really cute. I like the patterns on it. Some pixie crystals, a pixie crystal mix that I made, and it's enough for about 2 to 3 nails, maybe 4. Good to use as an accent nail. Okay. Some clear iridescent stones, and there are different sizes in there. Variety pack of rhinestones in a variety of colors and sizes. Some AB crystals in a variety of sizes. There is another plate, and this is number L002 in overprint. In other words, this is a plate where you layer the patterns, and this is plate number 2. Yeah, plate number 2, L002. Let me show it to you guys. So you can look that up if you want. And I also have a ring light. This ring light is, I believe it's 8.5 inches. I opened it up to test it to make sure that it works, and it works. And that's why the packaging, when you open it up, it looks like it's been opened. Yeah, I opened it to make sure it works. So then I have some of my dried flowers that I dried myself. I'll send those. And depending on who the winner is, what they do, what medium they like to use, some of my glitter mixes or acrylic mixes, it depends. So now I'm getting to the part where you qualify. The rest of the items I'm going to include in there have to do with how you respond. Now you're going to leave I'm going to tell you how you qualify. First of all, you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. The subscription has to be visible. In other words, when I go to check you out, it has to show that you're subscribed. If you have your subscriptions private, then I won't be able to check, and then you'll be disqualified. This is USA only. The other thing is you must be following me on Instagram. I haven't really pushed my Instagram very much, but I want you guys to follow me on Instagram. So you have to be subscribed to me here on YouTube, following me on Instagram. You have to leave a comment. Now, the comment that you must leave is, you have to tell me whether you like to use gel, acrylic, or you just do regular nail polish. Okay? So you have to tell me that, what medium you use. If you use all three, then tell me you use all three. I do all three. Mostly everybody does gel and acrylic now, or gel or acrylic. I do both gel and acrylic. But you have to tell me what you prefer, so that when I choose my winner, according to what they put in their comments, is the rest of the items that I'm going to include. As I said, these are not all the items. These are some of the items. I'm gathering more stuff, and according to who the winner is, according to what they use, I will include either glitter mixes or acrylic mixes or both. And yeah, so that's it. It's really simple. And I am going to be adding more stuff, like I said. Don't forget that ring light. It's really good for if you make videos. It's awesome to help you with your lighting. If you don't, it's awesome for you to do your makeup with. So it's a good thing. Those of you that are old-time subscribers and have followed me through the years, I really want to thank you for hanging in there. I know I was away for a while. Life happens, things happen, and I won't get into that right now, but I'm back, and I want to thank you for following me. And those of you that are new, thank you for subscribing, and stay tuned. I'm going to be uploading a lot more videos working on some ideas. And but anyway, I wanted you guys to enjoy a giveaway. I do have flash giveaways here and there. This is going to be running from July 1st to July 31st. On July 31st, I will pick out the winner. Okay, so again, you must be subscribed. I must be able to see your subscriptions. You must follow me on Instagram. Like this video. Leave a comment telling me what you prefer to work with. Acrylic, gel, or just regular polish. And that's it. Alright guys, so that's it for now. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being loyal followers and viewers. And I will see you all very soon. Take care everyone. God bless. Bye.